No. Hi guys, I'm EJ and let's talk about CoinMarket Cap. CoinMarket Cap, this is a popular tool in the crypto space and all traders and investors use it on a daily basis. In this video, we'll be discussing what CoinMarket Cap is and its benefits, so let's get right into it. CoinMarket Cap as a tool is often compared to CoinGecko, and crypto traders use both to find different types of cryptocurrency related data. With CoinMarket Cap, one can easily access information like market prices, circulating supply, and others. There are easy ways to use CoinMarket Cap, and you can start by looking at the ranking of cryptocurrencies according to their market cap. This gives you a quick overview of the prices, volume, and market price of crypto assets. But did you know that CoinMarket Cap also has other functions? Yes. It can be used to check for headlines in the crypto industry and even to earn tokens. There's so much other benefits this amazing tool offers, and learning how to use it properly can give you an edge in the market and also help you become profitable. Now, if you want to learn more about concepts like this and make money from the trillion-dollar market, be sure to check out our Trade and Make Money course at www.dabber.school. My name is EJ. Bye for now.